My name's Joe, and I've been living out in my 2011 Jeep Wrangler. I travel the states looking to hike, fish, and camp wherever I can. So if you like any of this content, consider subscribing so we can make sure we keep the show on the road. But right now, let's get to it, baby.
Morning. Just found this casino resort lot. We'll get going here with coffee.
We're heading north to Taos, New Mexico. We're gonna hit the tallest peak in New Mexico, which is Mount Wheeler. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our mountain out there. Tallest peak in New Mexico, Wheeler Peak. And we're gonna crush it. It is going to be nothing to us because we conquer all. We are more powerful beyond measure. Tomorrow we're doing the mountain, so we're probably just gonna pick it up there.
Morning. We have a mountain to run today. Oh, this will be my biggest climb yet, I believe. So we need to make sure we bring the energy. We're gonna get caffeinated up. I didn't sleep the best. I had like dreams all night that people were walking around the car. Just like paranoia. A lot for later.
Forgot I had this little cup. It's so funny, like doing stuff in parking lots where there's a bunch of people around. They see the rig and they're just like, this guy is a psychopath. Keep him away from the children. All right, so it's 8 o'clock right now. We're probably gonna get up there late. It's probably an hour up there. Wheeler Peak, let's go, baby.
Sleep, he's a fucking bell. I heard your bitch running on the bus. You don't give a damn.
Now we're talking. Vibing now. This is a pretty solid climb up. To get up here, you're gonna have a decent, I guess not, they're behind me, but I'm in 4. So there's 2 different trailheads. One is 10 mile, the other is a longer all day 15 mile round trip. This is the main one where it goes to the lake.
Okay, this might be a bigger hike than I was anticipating. Hopefully it's not as bad as Grand Canyon.
Let's see. Good luck. Really amazing out here, man. Wow. Keep that energy up, baby. Yes, sir. All right, that's the way to the lake. This is the way up, baby. We gotta get up and down quick. This is the hard part. Holy crap. I don't even want to look down. I don't even know if this is the trail anymore. But we're doing it. I thought that was a little bit ridiculous. That's not the trail. I missed it somehow. I just climbed up that shit. That is flat right there. That's looking straight, so that's yoink. Wow. No worries, take your time. I shouldn't have drank so many beers last night.
Probably. It's what's keeping you hydrated.
Right. The boy should have brought boots. Not shoes with holes in them. Crap. I'm bear crawling this. God damn it. Hands are frozen. Alright. If I would have had to see like ice picks or something, or just shoes with tread. Grand Canyon's harder. Oh my god. I'm not gonna puke, you're gonna puke. You gotta run the last 10 feet so it makes it look like you're in the whole thing. Right?
I believe you, man.
Why did you tell us?
Very cool. 13,161. Mount Taylor was 11,301. You're taking souls, baby. Woohoo! You know, really all the talk of this being like a really hard trail, like I don't know what all that's about. Yeah, I did the same thing as you.
What's that?
Yeah, that's the trail there. There's snow, there's no running water though. I got water if you need it. We'll hang out here. Yeah, I did the same exact thing. It's not marked down there.
Good run for you?
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, doing this was one of the hardest parts. Missing that trail, so you got enough water? Yeah, I got food, I got electrolyte stuff as well.
What's
water.
your name?
Joe.
I'm James.
James, good to meet you.
Good to meet you. You're military, aren't you?
Ex-firefighter. After I was a firefighter, I went into finance, so I kind of quit my job a couple months ago, so I've just been traveling.
We've got good fish at Eagle's Nest. Did you jog it?
Heavier. This one? Mm-hmm. The places that I could, you know, you get up there. Like I was pretty much gassing out.
So what do you do with these?
You just put them in water. I've got a cup if you want to drink out of it. It's supposed to help with like cramping and stuff and tightening up. You tear off the top.
Water in your backpack, huh?
Yeah.
Is that a special kind of backpack?
No, it's just I picked it up at like a local sporting goods store. So all the all like the professional runners and stuff they use that for their races.
Okay, and this helps though. Some of that bladder bag you got in there too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get me one of
And
them.
then you can.
Kind of like sweet Gatorade, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much. I'll give you just plain water too.
Is it true that it's all algorithmically driven?
Yeah, for the most part, I'd say probably 90% of all the flows on Wall Street are. I would use algos too, like, but it's just got a bladder that I can fill up. So I filled this up when I was talking to you.
How much water is that carry?
2 liters.
Oh yeah, it doubled. Yeah, right.
Right,
My
right.
60 grand's 120 grand. Right. So sure enough, it was doubled. I was living in a shack. I'm gonna go buy 100 grand worth of this stuff.
Right. What I did is I ripped out the passenger seat a while back when I was working for this company.
No way.
And I had a secondary battery.
So you were doing this out in the mountains?
Out in the mountains. So I was driving all around. So
This might have, you might have even met me for a reason, because I do telemedicine. I need a rig like that. Could you text me your phone number?
Yeah, for sure.
What we need to do now is just relax, drink, drown in water. Sorry about that footage. My battery died while talking to that guy up there. He was struggling, I could tell. They didn't mark off the trail well enough to show you where to go. So he went up that deep chute, that same one that I went up, and that was brutal for me. So he got up okay, but I could see he was struggling. He'll make it down just fine, but I'm not too worried. There are a bunch of parties behind me that, you know, groups of guys coming down. So he'll be all right. But there is one thing I do plan. It's nice cold fruit when I get off. This is the go-to. And today, we got pineapple. Why? It was one of the only cans at the Walmart with the flip-top tip lid. Flip-top tip top dib. I'm really happy I did that hike. I feel pretty good. Pineappled up, watered up. Let's go find some food. Very good. So tallest point in New Mexico done. Does this start a new series of doing every tallest point in every state? If you guys subscribe to my channel so I can maybe make some money, maybe. Oh, I have shoes in my hole. Shoes in my holes? Maybe I shouldn't be driving right now. Holy crap. I have holes in my shoes. Yeah, this little town, Taos. It's really cool. It's a little bit like Sedona, but way more, you know, New Mexico style. All the, you know, the classic Spanish style buildings and everything. All right. Not technically supposed to camp here. It's like a popular camping area. So a quick aside, I've been wanting to bring this up for a while. If you're the type of person that like eats meat consistently, or really at all, or like fish or any kind of animal or anything like that, it's really you that's the problem in this world. It's really you that should, you know, look back at yourself and reflect, you know, all the harm you're doing to the animals and to the world. You know, we only have one planet, and it's you that is the problem. It's you that is the issue, okay? All right, so today we're gonna be cooking this 1 pound Choice New York steak boneless. She's gonna be a beaut. To make a quick scenery change, sorry for the wind, because that place I was at, I wasn't gonna be able to overnight there. And then I was hearing and smelling multiple times a skunk right next to us. So we're at a very special place though, so stay tuned. Let's cook this meal. You're gonna like it. So I figured since we are kind of near Santa Fe, Taos, New Mexico, we got a bunch of peppers. Bell pepper, jalapeno, serrano, and whatever this one is. Got this Cajun rub that I bought a while back. Been using this quite a bit, but it burns quick. I'll just do one side since we have so much spice. We're going for a medium rare. Nice sear on both sides. These bushes and this tree above us. God, golly. Need to be hotter. Crank it. Get them all in. Oh my God, it's gonna be spicy. Oh. Smells so good. That onion, man. Ooh, baby. Done here. But come on, man. Dude, are you kidding me? By the way I've been eating, you'd never guess I'm living out of my freaking car. Look at this. Here's the mountain and the
background, just next to that tree. Sorry, I'm gonna tell you guys. Just to the right of that tree, that's the mountain that I just ran. That's pretty cool. All right, we're just gonna bum it and eat it right here. How we looking? I think I may have overdone it a little bit. It's definitely still pink on the inside, but yeah, that'll do. Yes, sir. Let's see how spicy this is. First bite. Cheers. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. It just looks good too, man. All the colors and everything. I'd say that's New Mexico. Oh, something kicked me there. Oh, I think that's a Serrano. That is not jalapeno. Whew. I don't know if this is the most New Mexico dish. I should probably have looked up, but man, these peppers, I think I got close. If you guys know like a New Mexico, like good solid dish that is purely New Mexico, let me know in the comments, because I really don't know. I haven't spent too much time in New Mexico. Born and bred New Mexico. Sneak a little of this action. Don't tell anyone. Big old steak after 10 miles. Oh. I think I can overnight here. It's a rest area. I should be able to overnight. No issue. Slowing down a bit. It's like 60-40. 860. We'll leave 40 for later tonight. Because I know I'm gonna be hungry. Let's get this packed up and let's go see what we need to see here. Look at this. This could be your main meal right there. Look at that. Forget about it. My body's not about to shut down from that meal. No need to bring a hat because you're probably gonna lose it. Okay. Yes, sir. So this is really cool. So the Rio Grande National Gorge Bridge, or not Gorge National Bridge. So bridge leading up to that mountain. That's the tallest peak in New Mexico. What we just did. That's a cool picture. Wow. You can hear that water rushing. It's a long way to go. So this is the north side. Awesome. That looks crazy. And oh, you can feel the bridge shake. We're heading that way. That's Colorado. Well, that's like Denver area over there, but we're going to that side of Colorado. To Rio Grande National Forest, I believe, is next. We're in that area, and we're just gonna figure it out. Figure it out as we go, baby. Can't really tell if you guys can see that because the GoPro is so small, but that's cool to see. That mountain. It is so windy up there right now, I'm sure. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at this big orange sheep.